Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox Dorbz Drax from the Guardian of the Galaxy. Also, this is one of the first series from Dorbz before Funko took over. Previously it was by Vinyl Sugar. So without wasting time, let's unbox it. Also, this video will just a quick look, since this is an old Dorbz, so nothing much to say beside the well done paint job for their Dorbz in the early phase by Vinyl Sugar before it became under Funko. Under Funko. You can see the tattoos is really nicely painted. Yep. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and until the next video.